do this. Like put your legs, put your legs together, put your hands together. And you're gonna lift both of them up, just like this. No, like that. Like, so lift it up like that. But like look, TJ, look, TJ. Look. You're gonna do it just like that. See my feet? Can you see them? Look, TJ, see my feet, TJ. See my feet? So look, you're just gonna lift them up like that. And point your toes, but don't put them up like that, TJ. Look, TJ. Look, TJ. Look. Look, TJ. Look. So look. You keep it that and look at my leg. So then don't do not put them up like this, okay? Just put them up like this, like kind of off the ground, like basically off the ground. Okay? Okay. Now point your toes. Point. Now keep them just like that. Now try to keep them off the ground. Okay? Now let me see your hands. Put them straight like that. Good. Try to keep your arms off the ground. That's you. Get your arms down on your head. Stay like that. Now on the ground now. Just like that. Okay. Make sure your foot's off the ground. I'll do it with you. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can stop.